Maloila mali e aho e iki mo e lele e Tonga hono kotoa, whiawhia ke o taritani lele iki mo tonu ke o mo ngā hiongongo, mo e le tio kai o maa e televisione Tonga ki he howani, i he wakaiko ia ki ngāhi olo i o ngongo. Kei i he tuunga maola lope ai whāna wako ne lelei e nāo sivi i he le soni whika, i he tau ko o si, o tataupe i he form nima ki he form fitu. Toe whili a sia melia Latu ko e pule lahi ai komsoni mau anga iwi a Tonga ki e tau e toru kahoko, pea vela ha apnofanga i havelu loto kai malo ne i kai hamo ui e moli. O kuto i pe tala noa kehe na yange pehe ai tawakai ki ngā hiongongo me he mala e oi sipoti ke o maa e tuunga oi ea. Ko e wakailewa e ni ki he whakai ki iki, ko au Liliane Polotele. O kukei ha mai pe i he sivi whakapule angami he tau ku osi ai tuunga mau lalo i he le soni whika. Ko hili eni hono mau i he wike ku osi me wikeni ai ngā hiola ko ia o he sivi whakapule angai whāna wako form nima hono moi fitu me he wā whewani ma. Ko e whakaiki ki moli te a Tongatapu.
I hono whakaike eke pule lahe pot ngawe ako mo ako ngawe, ne pehea e iskeli oko. O ku nau hohaa, koe uhi o ku meimei koe kotoa ngahi ngawe anga i tongani, o whia maolahi ki ai e tau kei pe ilo i he whika. Ka, o ku mahino me he olai sivi a i kai lele i he whika. I he ene pehe, o ku nau whengai ki toi wakai i e whanau mo i nau ngahi whaunga, ke whakaivia mo whakalakalaka i e ako ai whanau. I he mahino, ne ongo e i kai lele e whika, kana i ai pe ani ihi ne nau mao e māka mahulu atu pe distinction.
Ko e whika o whi mau whenā lahi ki ai. Tau ne whiha ne mi whitoa ki no pe pa mau laro. Ai koe o kune hunu i mai pa mau whatuape ki ngai system ki ngai ako. Ke nau sion ko ngā mea e ala whaneri a ke o lahi ka oko. Nenga wai ne ki whenga unuaki ka ku ui me no whanofo pe i me pāan ka kau pe. Ka mea ko mau sia kai ange ka niko whataka kai koe ko sivi kai whong fitu. Whika mo calculas na e pe sete fitu wha na i teke ki au i he tuunga koe ke pehe o koe whemau e whai toko nlahi ki ai i he toko lahi ka usivi. Pe sete fitu wha ka usivi o pepe ke pikina, o ke kamakamata o teke ke na wawa ke na umau e a standard ke pehe wha whemari ai. Ai koe kalkulasia. E ta same time fui kaini ka tau pe e ka pehe pe sete fitu wha hinga na whiri ke nau tonga kalkulasi. Na kai ke nau wausia e tuunga tau koe ke tau pehe kulawa e sile sun koe ai. Kain ka tau, ne toko ua ia na nau distinction. Kain ka tau ke ue kalkulasi ne ongo ne ngari ha tolahe whahinga koe ke iau e tuunga tau. Kana e toko kahai e kalkulasi i he ongo distinction na ne mau ia ai maximum maka maalunga kaha koe i he kalkulasi. Pakapau koe ia. Koe whaike he koe i he reka ko kape hao ai ka mo te set lahi ko koe ke ne mau e tuunga kahau. O koe potential koe pe o koe whainga maari ke ngau sayang. Ako mea ko manu ko whiwhi te minimu ngai system koe haa. Wana kwa whainga pāse se kuipe ke whiri whalawa ke nere soni ke kakato kai lawa sivi. Pea kai ke tokanga ki ai. Kakamatibi huko whika o kaue ngai le soni fuwhi ma i ha whaahinga marae ako pe. I ha whainga ngāwe anga pe.
I he sivi whika e whānau ako whumwhitu, koe pe seti e ono nima, ne i kai i he tuunga tāu mo le lei e nau sivi. Pea i he whika ai whomono, koe pe seti e whitu walo, ne ika i he tuunga tau, pe he ke pe set e fitu noa i he fika ai fom nima. O kuhoha ai pot ngawe a ko, koe uhi o kufu toko lahi whanau wako i kai a usia e tuunga tau e nau sivi i he fika, ka o iai pe e whainga maalie ke toilele yangi e nau sivi i he mahino ne iai e ni ihi ne nau a usia e maka mahulu atu pe distinction. Lolo tonga eni, mahino pe i he ngahi le soni kehe, o ku whakawhia maalie pe i he ene whakahoa ki ngahi tau kohili, o kau ki he ni le son sainisi, aia ne pehe e oko, i he le soni chemistry, e form fitu, koe peseti e ni menima e kau sivi ai ne i kai lelei. Kai peseti e ni mawha e form mono, aia o kuhaa mai e whakawhia maalie angi he tauni, e sivi e whanau ako i ngahi le son sainisi. Ka i he sainisi e form nima, koe peset e whawhitu e whanau ako ne sivi he sainisi, ne i kai iau ki he tuunga tau. Ai au i lalo ia i he vai ua honau toko lahi. Pehe e oko, koe mei koe na tūlai ni whakama opo pe analyse o nau tuku atu ki ngahi a koanga, ne kau ki ngahi sivi whakapule angani. O i kai ki nau whakaha atu pe oku tō pe lava e toko taha ako. Ka oku taktaha pe e ngahi a koanga e he nau whaunga ngā ue ki ono tala aki ki e nau whanau, pe oku tāu nai ki nau hoko atu ki he levolo hoko pe i kai.
Koe angapu koe isio kapau koe ngā ue. Koe mea ngā ue ki nau sio koe kapau ngā sia koe whika moe le soni koe tonu ke mahalohi. Isio pe ke ora. O ate great distribution koe ngā kaanga ngai mea he ngai qualification ka base me le whiri. Ka awa te matoku lawa he pa alo ki university whimana toko le soni ke hena nau whimau. E te whimau ke ae ko koe uhinga ko mo ai koe ki uate ai lawa to. Ka koe whakafoi vive soni whakakatoa o mau ate analysis ke uako koe distribution ye ke paisaki ke whakafoi le soni. Pake ke toksio le vai a koe ke whalu fuai ke national analysis ke ai kapaku kowe ne ola o kowe ko toa pe ko ia pe ai uma ko fanga me pe uma fingo ke pe to kon le vai ke apia ko e ko le soni uma wai ai pe ba me uma wai ai uma te ape mo analysis ke foi fehui ko toa pe ko vai anga ko me ma lo ai ko me ai funki me pe to kon le vai na te ko ke ko atu
Koe pule lahi au pon ngawe ako me ako ngawe iskeli oko. Mai o ngonga le tio me televisione Tonga koalitea tau kapo.
O kuvikia me he komsoni fili ai to whatongia li oa, mā te anki mo oskia velenga kua whakahoko e supervisor whai Filipi Tavuki i e ngahi ta o lahi kua ne tatakia e whakahoko whatongia ai komsoni fili i he ne mau wahinga mālolo i he mahinani. Peti Blake ilo lahia mo i whakaiki hiki.
Ko e hili e ni kakatoi pe ai whai whatongia mo i maua henga mālolo a vuki me he ngawe ai pule anga o tupou mo hou e ki. Ko e nei kuna e ni ene tau ngawe, hili a laka he tau e wawalu ene ngawe i he komsoni mo i pule anga. Pehe me komson fili, ne hoko ai whakahoko whatongia a vuki i he komsoni, ko tā sipinga lelei ma ai kau ngawe, i ono whakahoko lelei honau whatongia, i he māteaki mo whakapulo whesinale, i hono tataki ai ngahi whaunga whakahoko o i fili, aki ai ilo mo i kai hawhilifili mānako. I he ene pehe, ne whakamalo i ai e he komson fili ai toa whatongia lelei mo whakautumauku, ne whakahoko e vuki ma ai komsoni, mo e nautala monu ke maua henga mālolo kone mau me he ngawe anga. Ma ai o ngongo ai le teo mo televisione Tonga, ko au Peti Blake i Lalahia.
Kua le kone poto ngawe tamate a fie vela fale fika tolu kua li poti mi he kakai e whanua i he tauni i e mahina ko ia uluaki pe eni o tau fooni, koe vela koe ni ne hoko ia i havelu loto hi pongponga ne a whikai malo ne i kai hamo ui e mole. Peti Blake ilo lahi ai pe mo e whakaiki hiki.
I he whakaikeke a ngongo ai le teo tonga mo tukon komisiona tāmatea whi sina Monika waka na ane pehe, na e mau ai lipoti koe ni I he osta hahiwa me hongo fulu o hoa pongpongi ane a whi. Na ane pehe koe velani ne hoko ia ki he elia ne iai hawhale kehe e tolu, aia koe apnof anga pia iai me whale papai e ua, aia ne wesia lahi ai ai whale ne whakahoko ai no fo, aia ok whakamahalo I ne kamatami ai vela, aia ok I kaite lava hano no fo'i. Koe whale e taha koe whale tauhi anga koloa, pia ne I kai lahi ai mau ne hoko ki ai. Ka I he lolotonga ni o ke whakahoko he pot ngā we ai whakatotolo ke tup anga tonu ai vela, aia ne pehe e kau waka o kumahaloi ne iai pe ai kaunga ki ai whei me atoko ni.
E ne tuu koe he ahoni ai vela, koe tupu anga koe ne vela koe ni, kei whai pe ngā aue ki ai, kau ki ai e tui o ku kaunga ki ai whei me atokoni, kau kei tuange pe whai ngā maari e ko ia, aia he teu pehe o ku te ki ai ke whakapapau I ko tupu anga ia o vela, ka ku kei whai ngā aue ki ai, ka au ai e kaunga ki ai whei me atokoni nei whai I he wharen, pe toki whakapapau ia e tuunga koe ni o vela, pe toki hoko atu hano update ate ngahi magatu unga ko ia na hoko ko ia ma na kai hataha e hoko kai halawea pe more ha mo ui na hoko vera ko ni ku kai hataha I he fare no fuanga ko e wifi pe ko ni ko occupy I he fare ko ni na I he fare kolo ia I mua mana toki o fongi pe vela ko ni ko fare pa na kau fata mo to nga kaunga api I he feinga kana kai ke te felawe a feinga ku pe kai ke nga tai na ki hawi vili foka neaf paka vela koe ni ku tuu ia I he tawhaki whaka hahake koe ia koe halata au wha ahau e matonu hipa mo hawe loto.
Kai ke he na ane te whakahaheni I he au ke aho taha wha o Sanuali o tau kua osi, koe vela whakakatoa e ua whāne ngawe ki ai pot ngawe mo vela whale ai e nima. Me he kamataanga o tau ni ki he aho ni, koe vela whakakatoa ai e taha wha mo vela whale ai e tolu. Neongo o kolo ai whika o ngahi vela I he tau ni o whakahoa ki he tau kua o si, ka tuk mai pē ha whakatokanga me he pot ngawe tamate awhi o Tonga. Koe ne tuk mai ai e kau waka hata pou ke kakai o I whanua, koe uhi koe whatongia tuko taha kotoa ke whakapapau I ai malu mo hao e nau ngahi koloa, mo nau mo ui, me hano kāpui e he awhi.
O ko whatokanga I heni ai hoko angi koe ai ngahi vela whare, pea kou tapo wai ke hou eikpa mo I kakai whanua, ha mata apure, matua tahui whanua, tangatai whanua, mwhewini whanua ko tau pea Tonga. Whamore koe whatongia ki hono malu I o Tonga, ki he malu mo e hao koe ia pa mihi ngai whaingataa au whatupu he māma, pe hatoe whaingataa keheang, o ku te whito ia I he taha kotoa pe o ku I he whanua koe ko Tonga. Pa koe ku whatokanga I, o ku hoko ai ngahi vela whare, vela e pēne e tolu eni I he ao pēne taha wha kamatanga tauni, pe a o gai ngahi whamire I mea pango pe, o kui kai ko halanga I mamahi eni, ka koutui mo whaangot ke kakai whanua, ko ho tau whatongia, ki hono tokanga I kina, ai tau ngahi koloa, mo ui e ngahi whamiri ku tau hi, ke hao mo malu me he ngahi whakaiwaha, pe koe ngahi mau koe a kou whatupu he māma, pe koe vela whatawange pe, e tau kau whataha mua I hono tokanga I kina, ai whanonga whataha ko ia o tau ni, pia mohono malui o koloa, pa mo ui e kakai he ki pureanga koe ko Tonga.
Ko tokon komisiona tāmate awhi ia, sina Monika waka. Mai o ngonga le te omo televisa ne Tonga, ko au Betty Blake, ilolahia.
Pea kua whakapapau I eni me he komsoni mau anga iwi a Tonga a hono toi Filipe o Siamelia Latu ki he lakanga pule lahi o komsoni ki he tau e tolo. Ka hoko o kamatalao pe eni me he aho taha tolo e mahinani. Ko hono toi Filia ki he lakangani I he hili hono whakakato o e whaunga ngā awe ki hono Fili o hapule lahi pea tali pe whapasi me I he eiki palemia no pele whawhanua ka koe eiki minista I au potu ngā awe meidek. Li te atau kapo mo e whakaiki.
I whakamatala ko tuku mai me he komsoni mau anga iwi a Tonga, talo e whakahoko whatongia a Latu I he lakangani, ko ne whakakakato I ngahi te whito I ngā ua I hono malu I he kakai. Whakapapau I he malu mo tāu hono ngau aki ngahi mau anga iwi, mo ngahi ngā ua ke he pē me he komsoni. Pehe me he komsoni kono toi whiri ko eni o Latu, ko whakahāia e whalala o kunau mao ki he tataki ko ne whakahoko ma ai komsoni. Ne whakahā e he sea o komsoni mau angaiwi, toke tā lia maka. Ko ngahi tau kei, ilo mo mahino o kune mau, o tokoni lahia ki ono tataki e komsoni, pea ke toi whakaivia mo whakalahia e ngahi whatongia e komsoni, o whakamalu pe i he lao mau angaiwi. Ni whakamalo i ai e siameli e Latu ai kei whalala o oangi e he komsoni mo e palemia, pe o kune kei tuku pāpe ki hoko atu e ni whakahoko whatongia, ma ai lelei whalu kufua e whonua tau te whito i hono whakapapau i o tokanga e kina e komsoni he malu, whalala anga mo e toi maa ange, pe a tuulo ange e mau anga iwi o kunau tuku atu ma ai whonua. Koe hoko atu eni a Latu i he lakangani, hilia hono ka mata whiliki ai i au kosi ua noa ua. Ma ai o ngonga le tio me televisione Tonga, ko auri tea tau kapo.
O ni ngongo whakaloto whanua ia ki hoani koe ngahi o ngongo me mala e o sipoti, hoko mai ia i he hoani mō piea o le.
Maloma toki whilonga ki koe whakahini ki mala e o e sipoti. O toi pe mahina i taha pe kamata e fuafua whiauhi taro toko whitu a e kanapu akapuro e koromotua o tātuku ki aho e Valentine. Ko e whahaini he komisiona e whiauhi e whamafi ki ngong sport e le te omo televison tonga he pungpungini. Neango guanga maheni ke whahoko e whiauhi he wike whaao se mahina ni pe ko e mahina ura ke tau kotoa ka aku makatunga me he whemo i kina ngai timi i he whiauhi lahi taha koia a ipo e lawenga maari e nai pauai ke unua ke taimi ki e mahina katu o.
I he whotutu anga mahini whoki e pia na tutanu ke whakahoko nia he aho wahiva tauna tau taha o mahina ni hukoia ni whuki whaalele a komoto 7 ni i he wike whaao skoia sanuari tau kutoa pe. Ka i he lere mai koini ki mua i he lawenga maari e pe he komiti ki ilahi e taimi pia mo e ki tuko haki taimi ke nau malolo. Lere mai koini e whiau lawenga maari e whiau lahi ko ia pa na tau whamon pek tau tolkia. Pia tutun lewa komiti ke unu ke he wike Valentine. Peka mea ena e ui ai whiau hia ko niko e kolmo tua Valentine 7 he fall in ia pe utoloto ia he ahata haua, ta tolu, pia mo ta wha a Valentine he. O hinga ia e whotutu pia ki ke tukunga koini o kutewa tukoi ki ai kalapu ki he Valentine 7.
I he taim te tango e tāsi pinga nei whakahauko e haapai he whiauhi koia ai lawenga maari e ko hawhaunga ia ke neo whonge e sipoti i tongani. Tare whito ke hakapuru unioni me mala e tato toko whito.
O kuiai kakai o ngau rototo ke ngau tuuhake o whakahauko e whatongia. Ko whahinga kakai ia o tau amanaki e pehe e ngahi o tumotu hange ko wawau. E lea whakawawau ka nau ka maa whana peki nau tau. Ka o ku whiema o hakakai o hange ko kakai koini ni ihi na nau tuuhake o uki a hapai ke nau kau se au kona lawan mai. Whakaukau takau. Sai, ko tuku a hapai. Kala mai hapai ko nau alo eno malolo ka nau whok nau whiema na tole ki i kare ke nau whok na tolo mo ia. Ai ku nau alo na tolo me lawenga maari e kap. Koin tala mai te nau manatu ina nau kau na tolo he tau kosi a hapai. Na tin whoki e ua. Na i timi hapai Seaside ma hapai United. Kauni tala mai he kakai ta tau pe o na organize mo hotu tu a hapai. Te nau te whok mai nau wha am na tolo nau whok na tolo mo i kare. Na nau tala ape na tolo he tau kosi. Ame na tolo ia nei hanga pe kono motua ai nau tolo ke nau whok. Ka koin te nau whok.
Na e whawhia i pe mawhinga he kalampungi e whiauhini mo ene mahu inga ia ke pāho toloa ke tare ni te hako tupu oi whanua.
Ka koe ngahi whaka ai pehe e tokon ke whakalawaka. E ku tokon ko tope e tau ngahi ngawe ke iai hanga i prokalama si poti o ku lere i taimi hon ko tope. Tato ki whiri e te ngai kalapu ko whē taimi te nau kau ko whē wa inga te nau. Me hanga ia whakataha e konua ai. Peo me whakamaabo pa tau tupu ki hamea ke whakatau mo e. Ka pate tau oange ngai whainga maari si poti ke koe koe akapuru peo hange koe ni. Ka koe ngai si poti mei sanuari pe ke te isema. Nē ni ka sio ki ai o ne hanga ia o whakatataha i kakai. Tau me train i ia whanau ke nau alpe sportiva ngai mea e whakaurunganga. Pea mea te pūke tare ni ti koe kau. Kakai pōpō te, pea me koromotua he langa ngā o whai, ma te teo pe se veni, e mahu inga koe ki resi sita mai ki mahino, o ku kau e te timi e pea hui. A tangata pea mo whiwhini.
Ka ke he kua mana ke whahoko e whiahui taro whitu ia ai whunga whanua mi ewa peke ine nga pulu ko ia ewa mi ahua hiva ki he tau taha ko ia oi mahina ni mo i toa merie e mauhatimi ai ki he whiahui ko ia koromotu a.
Ko e wakailewa e ni ki he tuunga o ea, i hono tuku mai mi he waa wakaimatangi a Tonga i whamotu, whakahoko atu e pesa kuila.
Malo lau maari ho eki pia moirele e tonga kotoa, tai tari whiwhi ki mo tolu ki he tau. Whamatala ea ko ia i he e whiawhini. Ngahi tānoa la lahi vai noi aho, whatonga i angi. Laki au awhia pe whotunga langi pia moha uha moha mana mana, ki konga lahi ngahi vai whanua ko ia o tu Tonga. Kai taimi ta tau pe te tau kei whia pe moha ea ko maa whanangi, i he whiawhini ki a pongi pongi, ki he o tu Tonga ni. Wakaire wani ki tau i misate lai te whatonga i angi, ngahi alutamaki uha aku ne kei ngā unu mai pia me ta wha aki whakahifo, ki kotoa pe o tu Tonga, ai tene kei o mai pia au whia, moa uha tu moto ololo lahi ngai taimi, ki he o tu Tonga, tau whanonga tu he whiawhini ki a pongi pongi. O makatu unga e kei tupe tau whatoka ngā uhalahi pia moa tā whea, ki kotoa pe ngahi vai whanua ko ia o tu Tonga. Wakaire wani ki tau ngai whatokanga ke ngai potahi ke mea i he kau wholau tahi ka pe ke kau tau tai. O kei tupe ha whatokanga hako hako, pia moe whare i ki whanki i waka iki, ke tokanga he o ki tahi, ke ngai potahi ko ia o Tongatapu e ua, tere ki Tonga, pia mo tere ki Tokelau. Kahi paswiki aho nima koe ka hoko mai, whatonga i angi, aru tāmaki uha kune ki ngā uru hifo ke tau potahi whakatonga ifo, ai tene ki o mai pe au whia moa uha tu moto ki o Tonga, tau whai whanonga koe he wikendi, pia whakafofua peke matafi atu, ki he tokonaki pia moe sāpate ko ia whakaosinga o i wikendi. Ke iangi pe toka ngā matangi pia me he Tokelau mo Tokelau hake, ai tene ki o mai pe ea maa whana tau whanonga ko ia he wikendi ki kotoa pe o tu Tonga. Kai tau whanonga ko ia i he whiawhini ko ia ki a pongi pongi, whatonga iangi alutamaki uha o kune kei nofo holope i he area ko ia o tu Tonga, ai tene ki o mai pe au whia moha uha tu moto, lolo lahi ngai taimpe moha mana mana. Whatonga iangi ke iangi pe tau toka anga matangi me me Tokelau mo Tokelau hake, o au peke mere tahi hongo fulu ke taha nima ki he hoa, pe hiki hake o ke mere tahi wanoa, ki he wanima ki he hoa ki he ngai potahi ko ia, o Tongatapu e ua ka pe whoki tere ki Tonga, pe mo tere ki Tokelau. Maulala tako fua maa whanake poni ti kiri se se ua wha ki he wano ki he o tu Tongani. Tau whamatala ego ka pongpongi, whatonga iangi ke i nofolope alatamaki uha i he ongo niwa, pe whoki wa wa uha apai. Tongatapu pia mo e ua tene kei o mai pia au whia moa uha tu moto o lolo lahi a ngahi taimi. Ke iangi pe toka ngā matangi pia me he Tokelau mo Tokelau hake o au pe ke maritahi hongo fulu ke taha nima ke houa. Pia hiki aka o ke maritahi wanoa ke potahi ko ia o Tongatapu pia mo e ua. Malunga taha koe fua maa whanaka pongpongi te kilise siase wahiva i Tongatapu pia mo e ua. Pia au pe ke te kilise siase tau noa ki he toenga o tu Tonga. Taimi hua pia moe mamaha ko e tahi, maha toka ia hokoto tonu, taha taha he poni, tau maari o skwata pia mehe nima a hengi hengi. Koe la a moe mahina, a manaki ke hopo a pongpongi la a o staha taha pia mehe ono, pia tō ia o siwa walu mehe fitu e fiafi ko ia a pongpongi. Hopo e mahina, toi minite ua tolu ki he tolu a hengi hengi, pia tō e mahina, toi minite ua nima ki he nima e fiafi ko ia a pongi pongi. Whaos pia tau wakai ki he tau whamatala ea ko ia ki he aho e nima ka hoko mai ki Nuku'alofa. O ka mata he whalaite o wikendi ki he tūsite ko ia o wike ka hau whatonga engi tau kei whia pe moha au whia moha uha tū moto mala peke lo lahi angai taimi. Pe whakau peke alomari atu ki he sāpate ko ia mo ka mata anga o wika hau. Ka kei mala peke iai moha uha tū moto to holo. Malunga tahare wako e fua mawhana ki aho nima ka hoko mai tigri se siase ua walu ki he tolo noa. Koe ka kato ia tau whamatala ea, malo opito ho mou mea mai, ka mou mea.
Ko e tuunga ia oe ea, ka tau toi wakaiange pehe ki ngahi ulu i o ngongo. Kei i he tuunga maula lope ai whana wako ne lelei e nao sivi i he le soni fika, i he tau ko o si, o tatau pe i he form ni ma ki he form fitu. Toe whili a sia melia Latu, ko e pule lahi a komsoni mau anga iwi atonga ki he tau e tolu ka hoko, pea vela ha apnof anga i havelu loto kai malo ne i kai ha mo ui e moli. Moe kakato ai pe ia o ngahi o ngongo mo le dio kai ma ai television e tonga ki hauani mo whaka amu na o taki kotoa to pe ia ki loto whale kotoa. Kai malo e tau kei whi ao mai ka mō mea.
Good evening and welcome to your English news package with radio and television Tonga News for tonight. Making headlines, the Ministry of Education is concerned about the decline in number of students passing mathematics subjects in the national exams. The Supervisor of Elections, Pitavuki, retires after a career spanning almost 3 decades. And the Tonga Fire and Emergency Services record 3 house fires in the first 2 weeks of 2026, a drop in the number of house fires recorded for the same period last year. We'll have these and more stories coming up later on in this bulletin, as well as the latest in sports and the weather updates to wrap up this hour's news package. Now for the news in detail, I'm Popua Aho. With the results of the Forms 5, 6 and 7 examinations now all released, the Ministry of Education are concerned with the trends shown in these results, which indicate a decline in pass rates for mathematics subjects in all 3 levels.
The national Forms 5, 6 and 7 examinations last year saw low pass rates in mathematics in all 3 levels, a result that the Ministry of Education is concerned about as it reflects a decline in numeracy rates in the country. The CEO of the Ministry of Education, Iskelioko, says there was a large number of students taking mathematics subjects, but very few students achieved a pass rate. Hoko says the ministry is concerned because most employment opportunities require skills and knowledge in mathematics, but the exam results indicate a majority performing poorly in the subject. Despite the overall poor performance though, some students still achieved distinction level grades. Oko says the gap between low and high achievers shows there is potential for students with poor grades to improve, and the ministry is now reviewing ways to support students, including identifying their strengths and weaknesses in each subject and addressing them accordingly. He added that science subjects, which previously recorded poor results in national examinations, showed satisfactory performance last year, particularly at the Form 5 level. Meanwhile, it has been more than a year since the ministry stopped publicly announcing overall pass rates. Hoko explained that this approach is intended to encourage students to remain in school and reduce dropouts. He also said the ministry avoids announcing pass rates because job opportunities and universities have their own entry standards, which depend on individual subject grades rather than simply passing Form 5, 6 or 7. Despite this, congratulatory messages have flooded social media, with proud parents and guardians expressing gratitude to their children for passing the exams.
After almost 3 decades in public service, many of which were served leading several elections in the country, Pitavuki is retiring as Supervisor of Elections. The Electoral Commission announced Vuki's retirement yesterday after over 28 years of service to the Commission and the Government of Tonga.
The Electoral Commission officially announced Pitavuki's retirement, marking the completion of his dedicated and distinguished service to the government and the Commission for over 28 years. The Electoral Commission stated that Vuki's service to the Commission has been a model for employees in carrying out their duties with dedication and professionalism, guiding the conduct of elections with knowledge and impartiality. They praised Vuki's leadership, which has contributed to strengthening democratic institutions and ensuring that elections in the country are conducted in a fair, transparent, and trustworthy environment. As such, the Electoral Commission expressed its gratitude for the service rendered by Vuki to the Commission and extended its congratulations on his retirement from the public service. Meanwhile, the Electoral Commission is currently undertaking the recruitment process to appoint a new supervisor of elections, while the electoral manager, Samuela Val, is the acting supervisor of elections until a new supervisor of elections is appointed. Reporting for Radio and Television Tonga News, I'm Betty Blake, Ilolahia.
A house fire in Haveluloto this week has been confirmed by the Tonga Fire and Emergency Services to be the third house fire recorded in this new year.
Deputy Fire Commissioner Sina Monica Vaka said the report was received at approximately 19 minutes past 10 a.m. regarding a fire at a three-house residential property in Havelu. The property consists of 3 houses, one serving as the family's residence, one is a shop, and the other used for storage. According to Kauvaka, the family's home was completely engulfed by the flames, while the storage unit sustained only minor damage and remains in good condition. Fortunately, no one was inside the residence at the time of the incident, and there were no casualties. The damage is estimated to exceed 6,000 ba'anga. While investigations are ongoing to determine the exact cause, Kauvaka noted that unsupervised cooking has been directly linked to the fire. He also highlighted a comparison with last year's figures. By January 14, 2025, there had already been 24 fire incidents, including 5 house fires. This year, only 14 fires have been recorded so far, with 3 house fires. The fire department continues to urge the public to exercise greater caution when handling fire, stressing that negligence can lead to dangerous situations that threaten families and even cost lives.
And the Energy Commission has reappointed their current Chief Executive Officer, Siamini Latu, to continue in the role of CEO for a further 3-year term.
Siameli Latu has served as the Commission's CEO since August 2022, during a period of institutional and regulatory transition under the Energy Act 2021. His reappointment follows a comprehensive and open recruitment process undertaken by the Commission and has been approved by the Prime Minister, Lord Whawhanua. In a statement from the Tonga Energy Commission, Latu has led the Commission's work in carrying out its core responsibilities of protecting consumers, maintaining the safety and reliability of the power systems, and promoting fair and efficient electricity pricing while also supporting Tonga's renewable energy transition. In addition to his CEO role from 2022, he served for 3 years as chair of the Office of the Pacific Energy Regulators Alliance, or OPRA. During his tenure, OPRA's full membership expanded from 6 to 13 Pacific Island countries, strengthening regional cooperation and energy sector regulatory capacity across the Pacific region. The statement added that Latu's reappointment reflects the Commission's confidence in his leadership and regulatory experience as it begins the next electricity tariff review of Tonga Power Limited and progresses the expansion of its mandate beyond electricity to the regulation of the broader energy sector as regulated in the Energy Act. Reporting for Radio and Television Tonga News, I'm Lidia Taukapo.
That was the latest from the local scene. Up next, we'll join Pia Odi of the latest in sports.
Welcome back in sport. The Kolomotua Rugby Club has confirmed its first Rugby Sevens tournament for the year to be known as the Valentine's Sevens. The announcement was made to Radio and Television Tonga Sports News this morning by the tournament commissioner, Eva Murphy. Murphy said the tournament was delayed to allow players a sufficient rest following the conclusion of the Lovang Malia Cup 2025-26 season. The Valentine's Sevens is scheduled to take place from the 12th to the 14th of next month. Murphy added that the recent Lovang Malia Cup victory by the Hawaii Seaside team demonstrated the strong competitive spirit expected at the upcoming tournament. He confirmed that Hawaii Seaside has indicated they will return to compete in the Valentine's Sevens. Murphy says that the timing of the tournament comes at the right time, as it allows the use of players during the school holiday period before students return to their academic commitments. The tournament commissioner also encouraged other rugby clubs to step forward and host the Sevens tournament to make good use of players' availability during the off-season. Meanwhile, EWA is set to host its first Sevens tournament for the year from the 29th to the 31st of this month. The tournament forms part of EWA's preparation for participation in the Kolomotua Valentine's Sevens.
That was your sports news with Bia Olie. Now taking a look at the latest weather updates from the Tonga Met Service with Besa Kuilam.
Hello and good evening. Welcome back to our weather forecast from Tonga Met Services. Our headline for this evening, we expect cloudy conditions over most parts of Tonga with possible occasional rain, can be heavy falls at times with isolated thunderstorm. But please take note the continuation of warmer air temperature for all of Tonga land areas. Looking for a satellite imagery, as you can see, a thick cloud bands moving from the west to approaching all of Tonga with occasional rain, can be heavy falls at times from this evening until tomorrow. For current warnings for land areas, a heavy rain warning and flash flood advisory remains in force for all of Tonga land areas. Warning for coastal waters, a strong wind warning and small craft advisory remains in force for Tongatapu, Eua, Tereki Tonga and Tereki Tokelau coastal waters. Across the region the next 5 days, as you can see, a low pressure spinning to the southwest of the group with an elongated trough with a mostly cloudy occasional rain for all of Tonga for this week and becoming clear and fine by Saturday and Sunday, the end of this week, apart from cloudy periods with possible scattered showers. And please take note the continuation of warmer air temperature from north to northeasterly winds for all of Tonga land areas. Let's bring in the weather closer to home into Island Division from this evening to early tomorrow morning. As you can see, mostly cloudy with a possible occasional rain, can be heavy falls at times for all of Tonga with a possible isolated thunderstorm. For the winds, north to northeasterly winds of reaching up to 10 to 15 knots and rising up to 25, especially for Tongatapu, Ewa, Tereki Tonga and Tereki Tokelau coastal waters, and the overnight minimum temperature of around 24 to 26 degrees Celsius. Forecast for tomorrow, we expect a similar condition with a mostly cloudy with occasional rain, can be heavy falls at times with isolated thunderstorm. For the winds, northeasterly winds reaching up to 10 to 15 knots for all of Tonga coastal waters. And the maximum temperature for tomorrow of around 29 to 30 degrees Celsius for all of Tonga. For the tide prediction, low tide at 11 o'clock tonight, high tide at 5:15 early tomorrow morning. Sun and moon, sun will rise at 11 minutes past 6 tomorrow morning and will set at 28 minutes past 7 tomorrow evening. Moon rise 23 minutes to 3 early tomorrow morning and moon set at 25 minutes to 5 tomorrow afternoon. Wrapping up with our 5 days outlook for Nuku'alofa, starting this Friday until Tuesday next week, we expect cloudy periods with possible occasional showers, can be heavy falls at times, and becoming fine with early next week, apart from cloudy periods with possible scattered showers. And the maximum temperature in the next 5 days for Nuku'alofa of around 28 to 30 degrees Celsius. Thank you for tuning in. Malo Aupito. See you next time.
Thank you to Bessa and the team at the Tonga Met Service for that latest weather update. And that wraps up this hour's news package with radio and television Tonga News for tonight. But before we part, here's a final look at tonight's top stories. The Ministry of Education is concerned about the decline in number of students passing mathematics subjects in the national exams. Supervisor of Elections Peter Vuki retires after a career spanning almost 3 decades, and the Tonga Fire and Emergency Services record 3 house fires in the first 2 weeks of 2026, a drop in the number of house fires recorded for the same period last year. That was your news with radio and television Tonga News for tonight. Thank you for joining us and have a good evening.